In this section, we are going to begin learning about ladders. Ladders are a group of wires that are connected to each other, and it can be used to describe the logic connections of electrical control system. First of all, we need to know about the components of ladders. I have prepared a drawing includes ladder, and here you can see it. These two vertical rails work as a supply power, which are named bus, and the horizontal lines called rungs. Each collision of horizontal and vertical lines, I mean rails and rungs, expresses the reference numbers. The distance between the rungs called rung spacing, and the distance between the rails named width. Now let's create a ladder. Here in the Insert Wire Numbers panel of the Schematic tab, select the Insert Ladder tool. The first thing we have to do is setting the components of ladder. The first one with I enter a desired number. Note that based on the drafting standard, the number represents the measure. Here I'm going to enter 7.5, which in NFA standard means 7.5 inches. But in IEC standard, I need to enter 750 that represents in millimeter. The other edit boxes for spacing, as I mentioned, it is the space between the horizontal rungs. Here I enter the number. Another option that I have to enter is rungs, which automatically computes the length. Also, you can keep it blank and enter no number. To specify the reference numbers, you can just enter the first line reference. For example, I type 300. And the number will start from the first line reference. The last one is index edit box. When you specify the number, it shows the increment in the numbers of reference, and by default is 1. It means that the first line reference number is 300 and the second one is 301, and it will increase one by one. But if you enter the other numbers such as 2, it becomes 300 and 302 and so on. If you have to hide or in the other hand not to show the reference number by choosing this edit box, it can be done. Now I'm going to select OK to insert a ladder. As you see in the command line, I will be requested to specify a start position. I click on the point that I want to start, and the ladder will be inserted. If I had not inserted the length of ladder for the second time, I would have been prompted to specify the second point to insert the ladder. Here you can see the reference numbers are inserted one by one, and the first reference number 300 is inserted here as I entered before. Let's discuss about the other options of ladder. So I'm going to choose the ladder tool again. Here we have two older areas. The first one is phase. Two cases of ladder are available here. The first one phase, that is to create a single phase ladder, and the other one is to create three-phase ladders. In the next area, we have three options. The first one is no boss. It means that when I select it in the ladder created, there is no boss to be displayed. Let's try it and see the results. When I select this checkbox, I can enter the length of the ladder. So I choose OK, and in the command line, I will be requested to specify the start position. I do it, and the ladder will be inserted without any boss. The other option is no rungs, which inserts a ladder without any rungs. So I'm going to select OK button and insert the ladder, and there is no rung here in the displayed ladder.